Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Shoulder System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the ortho docks on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Shoulder System for therapy. First, decide which shoulder you're treating, left or right. Take the larger strap and use the hook and loop fastener to attach the plain end to the device. Make sure the strap will run down your back when you put the device on. Place the device comfortably on your shoulder. Let the strap hang down your back. Reach around with your opposite hand to grab the strap. Then pull it up and across your chest. Secure the end of the strap with the logo to the system on the front of your chest. Use the strap glider to fine-tune the fit until it feels secure but comfortable. Everyone's body is different. You may need to adjust the angle of the strap, pulling across or more forward to find what's most comfortable for you. Want a tighter fit? Try attaching the strap to the top of your shoulder instead. Need a more secure fit? Use the provided short strap. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.